That's my BFF, y'all.
Good morning.
She's very supportive of me in this diet, along with a few of my other subscribers. But today 5 is peachy berry spinach. 3 handfuls of spinach, 2 cups of water, 1 cup of frozen peaches, 1 handful of seedless grapes, 1.5 cup blueberries, and all the other flaxseed and so forth. So let's get it started, but I just wanted to let y'all know your girl is getting it. Hey! I'm a little too hyped up, y'all, but I feel way lighter. It's good. It's gravy. So, hope everyone that's on this is doing it. I need the top. Or making some big mess everywhere. Getting my Irish sea moss powder. Show them that. Show them that. All right, y'all, let's get it down. Let's see what day 5 tastes like. Ooh, I want to jump on the scale so bad, y'all. But we halfway through this. We got this, y'all. Ooh. Ah. Okay, maybe I messed this one up with my little colon cleanse and my sea moss, because this one I don't like too much. But we gonna go ahead and drink this down. I got a surprise for y'all today. We about to go hiking or something so I can get my exercise on. But y'all just stay tuned. All right, crazy family, so we have made it to our destination, 2.5 hours away from home. We came to Palm Springs in Palm Springs, California. For those that don't know, we live in California, but Palm Springs is 2.5 hours away from our house. We have come to Indian Trails. It's a hiking with the waterfall. So we about to see what this do. Right now, we've been in a long line. I guess they only letting a certain amount of people in, 1 car out, 1 car in. So right now we in line waiting to get in, as y'all can see. And I will let y'all see the name of this place as soon as I get to the front. So y'all just stay tuned for this hike that we about to get on here. And today it is 87 degrees here in Palm Springs. This is kind of not hot for Palm Springs, because Palm Springs usually gets in the hundreds. So y'all stay tuned. You guys, we have arrived. It's Indian Trails.
Oh my gosh, dude. Indian Trails.
See
We're going
that?
to have so much fun.
We sure are. We're going hiking. We're going on a trip in our favorite rocket ship, going to the canyons. Little Einstein. Stay tuned. So we're going to drive through these rocks, you guys. Look. Let me zoom out a little more. This is really cool.
I just put it over.
Uh-huh. We going to a 12-foot waterfall here in Indian Canyons. Murray Canyon. Murray Canyon. Indian Trails. So let's go, y'all. This one looks like it's not that steep. So look like a driveway. Your girl got her headphones on, so I can keep this walking going, listening to my music. Let's go. Look at that tree. Look what it did. You see that tree? Over here. Over there. You see it?
I think they just did that. How far is it?
It's pretty far. Yeah.
You made it to the waterfall?
Yeah.
How long did it take you to get there?
It was honestly longer than expected, but there's a lot of like water stops on the way there, so we took a lot of stops.
Okay. Thank you.
You're welcome.
Ooh.
Oh, thank you.
Uh-huh. All right, y'all. We are half a mile in. It's a 2-mile hike. They down there. Bull is up there somewhere. Your girl, oh my God. Just dropped my water. What happened?
I got bit.
By what?
Some type of bug. It was bleeding. And now he
She done got bit. My daughter-in-law done got bit by something.
It was a big black bug. That dog scared me. Ooh, that cross that burn.
Day 55 in the wild. We almost there.
This is not naked and afraid.
She's a scared. You about to get there. She's so tired. Boogeyman! What's up, everybody? So we almost at the waterfall, and look who's sitting down. Look who's sitting
I
down.
done came how far in though?
We almost
3/4
there.
of a mile?
We almost in there.
3/4 of a mile.
in there. We almost in there.
I don't even like Gatorade, y'all, but woo, child.
Just need that extra energy, you know.
The hike is a 2-mile hike, y'all. I'm out of shape. I'm 269 pounds, and they talking crap. He's 17 years old. He's 20. She's 17. And
What about me? I ain't huffing and puffing.
Yeah, look at all his.
I'm good.
that's nice. He ate a Twinkie, y'all, on the way up here.
A ding dong. You dang right. It's still good.
So he
Ding
got a
dong.
sugar high.
Barely even busting the sweat.
Ding dong.
Look,
He got a sugar high. Wait, let me go across the bridge for the camera. And I want some water splashed on me.
Some water splash on y'all. Look at all this.
You see all them bugs? A handful is gonna get your ass.
Okay.
I don't
Let's
even
get
know
over.
what's
Hello. You got people behind you. 1 mile, Murray's Canyon. She can't stand it. She gotta take it off now.
doing this, bro.
Can't stand it, huh, Miss Audrey?
Shut up.
Yeah, she's putting too much stress on her. She about to fall out.
I messed up, y'all. I came out here with this plastic, huh? And this waist trainer. Whoo! I feel like I'm about to pass out.
We ain't got no more water, so that's it.
Boy, you lying. You a damn lie. Shit.
I don't need my water alone.
Ooh, this 2 miles ain't no joke, y'all.
What is it?
But I'm gonna get to that waterfall for y'all. Stay tuned.
Don't do nothing. You like to move. Where you at?
Right there. Oh, there you go. Hurry up, Minnie. Hurry up. He right here. He blending in with the rocks. Don't move nothing. Don't move, cause he gonna run. He right there. Further? Nope. I think we gonna hiking up that.
I made it, y'all. Hear me, hold that. It's on, okay? Don't get this dirt all on me. That's it? Come on, come on. I fucking made it! Ah! Back up. You ain't even in it. Get in here. Let it hit you in the head. Put the head back. There you go. All right, that's it. Look in there. I want to be in there.
Go, come on. Oh, crap, give me a hand.
It's a snake in the water, y'all. It's a snake. See him slithering back into that water? Baby.